Living in Covington means experiencing a mix of warm, humid summers, heavy rain, and occasional strong storms. While the climate offers plenty of charm, it also puts your home's exterior to the test, especially your windows. If your current windows are drafty, hard to operate, or showing signs of wear, upgrading to weather-resistant replacement windows can make a significant difference. Modern replacement windows are engineered to handle Covington's unique climate conditions while improving comfort, efficiency, and long-term durability. Designed to withstand heat and humidity, Covington's warm temperatures and high humidity levels can cause certain window materials to expand, warp, or deteriorate over time. Older wood frames may swell or rot when exposed to moisture, while outdated aluminum frames can transfer heat into your home. Weather-resistant replacement windows are built with materials like vinyl and fiberglass that resist moisture damage and temperature-related expansion. These materials maintain their shape and structural integrity, even during long, humid summers. By preventing warping and seal failure, weather-resistant frames help maintain consistent indoor temperatures and reduce maintenance needs. Superior protection against heavy rainstorms are common in Covington, and windows must be properly sealed to prevent water intrusion. Poorly installed or aging windows may allow moisture to seep into walls, causing structural damage or mold growth. High-quality replacement windows include advanced flashing systems and durable sealants that create a watertight barrier. Professional installation ensures that each window is securely fitted and insulated, minimizing the risk of leaks. This added protection safeguards both your home's structure and your family's comfort. Energy efficiency for year-round comfort. Weather-resistant windows aren't just about durability, they also enhance energy performance. Modern replacement windows typically feature double or triple pane glass with insulating gas fills such as argon. Low emissivity coatings reflect infrared heat, helping keep indoor spaces cooler during hot months while retaining warmth during cooler periods. In Covington's climate, reducing heat gain is essential for lowering cooling costs. Energy-efficient windows limit the strain on your HVAC system, contributing to more consistent comfort and potential savings on utility bills. Resistance to storm-related damage. Strong winds and severe weather can place additional stress on your windows. Weather-resistant replacement windows are designed to meet or exceed industry performance standards for wind resistance. Reinforced frames and impact-resistant glass options provide added durability during storms. While not all homes require full impact-rated windows, many homeowners in Covington appreciate the added peace of mind that comes with stronger construction. Low-maintenance materials. One of the key benefits of weather-resistant windows is their low-maintenance design. Vinyl frames resist peeling, cracking, and corrosion, requiring only occasional cleaning with mild soap and water. Fiberglass frames offer exceptional strength and stability without the need for repainting or sealing. For busy Covington homeowners, this means less time spent on upkeep and more time enjoying a comfortable home. Enhanced indoor comfort and noise reduction. Weather-resistant windows also improve indoor comfort by reducing drafts and outside noise. Tight seals and insulated glass help create a quieter, more stable environment inside your home. Whether you're relaxing with family or working from home, you'll appreciate the improved insulation and sound control. A smart investment for Covington homes. Upgrading to weather-resistant replacement windows is more than a cosmetic improvement. It's an investment in protection and efficiency. These windows are built to handle Covington's heat, humidity, rain, and storms while improving energy performance and long-term durability. If your current windows struggle to keep up with the elements, replacing them with weather-resistant options can enhance comfort, protect your property, and add lasting value to your home. In a climate like Covington's, choosing the right windows makes all the difference.